So what's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I just wanted to make a quick little video on pricing. Okay, how much should you charge for your customers, you know, house, all that good stuff. Let's just go ahead and dive into a little bit of pricing. Okay, how much should you charge for pressure washing? Now, before we get this video started, man, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's get the channel to 2,000 subscribers. And in the link in the description, I have a link to go ahead and join our free Facebook group, okay? We're doing a giveaway. I'm giving away 2 J-Rods and three Amazon gift cards, okay? So how much should you charge? Now, it really all depends on kind of the job that you're doing, the area that you're in, but a good rule of thumb for me is I like to charge 15 cents a square foot to wash the house, okay? When a customer calls, hey, I've got a 2,500 square feet house, how much to do the house? In my mind, I'm times 15 cents, or I'll do it on my phone, and boom, there's the price. Somebody called me earlier today, hey, I've got a 2,500 square feet house. I need my roof washed. Boom, $7.50. Okay, shouldn't take me more than 2 hours. I talked them through the entire process of how we're gonna clean the roof, we're gonna protect the plants, all that good stuff, okay? For driveway, let's just see, something like this, easily 125, 100 bucks, okay? You know, I like to get about 150 an hour. Something like this would take me about 30 minutes to do. So I'm just kind of, you know, just charging from experience of 5 years doing this, how much I think I could get for something like this, okay? You know, it's not too big, it's not even that dirty. Now, you can't really see on Google how dirty the house is, but you can ask questions. Hey, when's the last time you had your house serviced? Okay. How dirty is it? Is it lightly need to be cleaned? Have you been maintaining it? You know, every year, something like that will be a good indicator if you should charge less or more, and how hard the work will be. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. Pool patios are kind of hard to do because each one is custom built. Pool and eyes, I like to do about, you know, 300 bucks, because I know that's going to take me about an hour and a half. Okay, so it's really all about knowing how much you're worth and how much you want to charge an hour, how much you can get an hour in your area. I hope this video helps you guys. Leave a like down below and comment down below if I can help you in any other way, okay? Concrete, look at the job through Google. Look up the address and say, okay, that's going to take me X amount of hours. Here's the price. House wash, charge about 15 cents to 20 cents a square foot. And then for roof, that's on you. Okay, each job is different. You might want to go out to the house. You can see here, something like this, you know, $7.50 easily I could get, and I could do that all from the ground, okay, with the soft wash system. So I hope this video helps you guys out. You know, I'm making quick videos, just getting back to work. You know, I had a few minutes to spare, and I'll catch y'all in tomorrow's video. Now, I do have a Facebook ads course that I'd love for everybody to check out. And the Pressure Wash Academy course is actually coming out very soon. I've been working on that. And if you want me to set up or manage your Facebook ads, give me a call or send me a text at 843-888-2371, okay? That's all linked in the description. I've been helping so many guys out, it's unbelievable. So that's how to price jobs. Hope this video helps. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.